Get excited about the 2012 Lexus ES350. This four-door, five-passenger sedan just recently passed the 50,000-mile mark. A 3.5-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated six-speed automatic transmission, and for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Lexus prioritized comfort and style by including variably intermittent wipers, a built-in garage door transmitter, a power seat, front dual-zone air conditioning, and seat memory. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Lexus ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.